Hey guys, Paul here today, and I just wanted to speak about Facebook ads again. I'm a big proponent of Facebook ads, so I'm just going to talk about basically matching the right offer with the right audience. Now, this is something that a lot of people miss with Facebook ads. They end up, just trying it and saying, "Oh, well, this is not going to work." Well, you know what? If you're using the wrong offer and you're not actually engaging with people on that offer, then literally they have nothing to really attract their attention when they're scrolling. So you want to make sure that your offer is very easy for you to fulfill, number one, and number two, that actually number one is more that it's attractive to them, and number two would be that you can fulfill it easily. So those go hand in hand. And then what you want to do is match that with the right audience on Facebook or Instagram. And you might choose Facebook because you might be choosing a little bit of an older demographic, or that could be the case, or you might just want to target both. But if you use Instagram, then you're going to focus on generally a little bit more younger people, but now more and more middle-aged people are going on Instagram as well, starting to use the application. But again, coming back to this, it still all depends on the attractive offer that you can fulfill very easily and is attractive to them. It's something very simple, something very easy, a low cost for you as well. And then we have the right audience. So choosing the audience that matches that, which also, when you choose the audience, you want to make sure that you're actually choosing an audience that you yourself can actually relate with, right? Like you say, okay, I have these clients here, and which audience matches those clients on Facebook? So you want to choose the interest, you want to choose the age group, you want to choose whether they're male or female, or maybe they're both. So there's a lot here that you can dive into, right, to scale up your business and to find this reach. So when you decide, also when you get into the audience and you're like, okay, wow, the audience is 20,000 people on Facebook, then you want to realize that you want to look at that and say, oh, there's 20,000 people there. I have 200 clients. What if I was to get another 100 out of those 20,000, right? So you want to kind of look at it that way, and not just be like thinking, oh, there's 20,000 people in this right audience that I'm choosing, and are these people a match, or I'm just going to sprinkle my message all along. No, you want to have it a little bit more targeted. You want to think of the people that are on the other end of their phone, because let's face it, they're on a mobile app, they're on a mobile phone, and you don't want to lose sight of that, right? It's not going to be desktop. Desktop reach is very, very low. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about this and share it with you guys, and just have something for you guys to kind of think about, and to understand that at the end of the day, you want to look at it very practically, that you're on a platform. Number one, Facebook ads refers to Facebook and Instagram. They own Instagram, in case you don't know. And the offer, again, very small, to the right audience, equals results with a smiley face at the end. Okay, so I just wanted to share this with you guys, and just think about it. And again, any campaign that you start with, always start with a small micro budget. That's the trick, is start with a very small budget, but not too small that you don't get any reach, but enough that according to that audience, it's a fair spend, so that Facebook, it's also win-win for them, that they feel like, what, they're spending, so let me bring them in and let me show them to the people that we have on our platform. Okay, again, everything has to be win-win for everyone. Anyways, we're offering also a free Facebook ad setup, so if you want to take advantage of that, you're more than welcome. Just click on the link or reach out to us for information, and we'd be happy to help you. Okay, good luck with your businesses, and being an entrepreneur. I know it's not easy, but it's it's our freedom, right? And it's our businesses, so let's work on it. Okay, all the best. Take care. Bye.